Hello, my name is Dr. Mark Mouw. I'm a chiropractor at Mouw Family Chiropractic. And a question we frequently get asked by our patients is, what is that popping noise when you make the adjustment? Well, what I explain to them is that each joint in our body has gas in it. It's actually nitrogen gas. And when we bring you to an in-range of motion to make that adjustment, that gas shoots across the joint and makes that popping or cracking sound. Now, an example of that is a pop bottle or a pop can. When we open them, what happens is we hear this ch sound. That's actually carbon dioxide that's shooting across outside the can, but very, very similar when we make that adjustment to the joint, the nitrogen gas shooting across makes that popping or cracking noise. Now, when we do adjust, what that does is it frees up the joint space, allows that body to function biomechanically better in that area, but also in the long run allows our nerve system to function at a healthier level. For more information, you can reach us at 712-366-1611. Thanks.